and our analyst Steve Budin joins me now. The Trump rally sort of continues here. Explain to me what's going on.
I must say I am a little surprised about how the stock markets are reacting to all this, but Americans are very optimistic people, and this happens historically after an election. Because of what's possible, the markets try to guess and try to predict what will happen, but I remind and caution everybody that no law has been passed yet. No regulation has been changed yet. So while the markets are hitting today, in real time, record levels, nothing's been accomplished yet. So maybe the market's getting a little bit ahead of itself.
But they are anticipating deregulation and things of these issues that have sort of been in the forefront.
The markets are expecting two things, tax reform and regulatory reform. And hopefully the new administration can deliver it, or you could see some adjustments back in the market. But those are the two things they're looking for.
Okay, other things we talked about, the mortgage rates right now, they have gone up here, like something that you've been mentioning for a while now.
Yeah, and this is a good news, bad news scenario, because for the longest time you'd hear folks complaining about low interest rates on their savings or their CDs. But now you're seeing the interest rates have really begun to creep up on the longer end. But, you know, on the good news here is that if you're looking to buy bonds, conservative investors, you're getting some higher yields. But on the downside, you're looking to buy a house, your mortgage rate's up about 50 basis points, about 0.5%. On an average mortgage, that translates into about $40 or $50 a month, which doesn't sound like a lot, but the regulations have gotten so strict that when you apply for a mortgage and you have your income ratios being tested, those numbers can really matter, and it could kill a deal. So
and
it could be an issue.
As far as people right now with the savings accounts, what does that mean? Nothing right now, right?
Nothing right now. The savings accounts usually are dictated by the Federal Reserve. They meet next month, but I think with interest rates going up on the long end, this could give them an excuse to raise rates, and we talked about that before. First or second week of December, you might see that. Yeah,
they've been talking about it now for a couple of months now. Post-election, we'll see what happens. Okay, final issue here is, of course, we have Black Friday. But now, sort of thankfully, for safety concerns, a Cyber Monday is now sort of creeping into Black Friday's territory. What's going on there?
Yeah, well, I know this. I think I see you in that video.
Yeah, right.
I know you like to mix it up at midnight at the local store.
Yeah, running, making that dash.
Now you can actually save yourself the trouble. Walmart, Amazon, a lot of these online vehicles, Walmart especially, is saying any Cyber Monday deal, we're going to fast forward back to Black Friday. So you'll see the similar types of deals that you could have gotten in the store online. So it'll save yourself from mixing it up with the masses at the store.
So you don't necessarily have to camp out and get into a bit of a scrum the day after Thanksgiving. All right, Steve Budin, as always, thank you so much for your time. I appreciate it. All right, we'll be right back.